Hey, what's up? What's up? It's another day for real. I just woke up for real. I can't wait to go out and get back on the bike cause every time I'm on the bike, I'm having fun. Hey, thanks everybody for watching my last video, man. I appreciate that. I appreciate all the comments. I don't know what the hell I'm about to do today, but I just made some breakfast. I cooked it myself. A little bit of sunny side eggs for real. A little bit of bacon for real. Some potatoes on the side. BB cooked the potatoes, and after I eat this, we about to head on out the door for real and get the day started. And yeah, I don't know what I'm doing, but I'm gonna do something. Hey, hop on a bike on a wheelie, hit the throw and go. Might wheelie through the city, something you already know. Put the bike on 12, drop back, just coast. Sit back, just watch 50cc show. So I started really panicking in my mind, like the curb is coming. So I'm just like, but I rebounded the last second. Sheesh, man, I'm just out here at the lot trying to put in work, man. Me and BB is out here, man. The sun's beaming on us. We just out working. We out here working, trying to bring better content for y'all. You feel me? I'm never gonna quit this journey that I'm on. I'm gonna keep going until I'm scraping, whatever. You know what I mean? I'm just gonna keep going. I hope y'all do the same for real. We out here, man. We out here risking it. You know what I mean? We out here. We just doing what we do, and we gonna keep doing it for real until we new pros. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, stay tuned.